Armoury Crate Error 501 is stopping your installation dead in its tracks, but we're going to fix it right now. This persistent error means something is preventing Armoury Crate from setting up correctly on your system, and this guide will get it working. First, ensure your system meets all the minimum requirements for Armoury Crate and that all your essential drivers, especially chipset and motherboard drivers, are completely up to date. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems from leftover corrupted files, which brings us to method 2, a clean uninstall and reinstall. This involves completely removing all traces of Armoury Crate using its official removal tool, rebooting, and then running the latest installer as an administrator to grant it the necessary permissions. Should the error persist, we move to method 3, which focuses on deep system integrity. This means diving into Device Manager, ensuring all drivers are current, and then attempting the clean install again. If you're still stuck, the final method involves checking for and installing any pending Windows updates and critically updating your motherboard's BIOS to the latest version, as outdated firmware can cause installation conflicts. After each major step, a quick reboot is essential to let the changes take effect, so we can finally get this critical software up and running.